Maintain a practical setback from a septic system to the property line to protect neighbors and allow routine maintenance. For a reliable thumb rule, position septic components a minimum of 5 to 10 feet from the property line, while recognizing that local regulations often require greater distances. Start by identifying the tank, distribution box, and drainfield locations on your plan and measure outward to the nearest lot boundary, keeping at least 5 feet clear as an absolute minimum and aiming for 10 feet when site constraints permit. When soil percolation rates are slow or there is a high seasonal water table, extend the drainfield farther from the line and consider increasing separation distances by an additional 5 to 10 feet to reduce hydraulic impact on adjoining parcels. Maintain a no-build and no-planting strip above the drainfield and around the tank large enough for access and pumping. Typically, the same 5 to 10 foot buffer applies to allow technicians to remove the lid and inspect without crossing into the neighbor's yard. If your lot is irregular or shared easements exist, work from measured property monuments and recorded plat lines rather than fence lines, which may shift. Obtain a certified survey when setbacks are marginal. Always confirm the local health department and municipal codes early, because setback requirements take precedence and can include minimums for tanks, leach lines, and replacement areas that exceed the thumb rule. Common mistakes include assuming one rule fits every site, which fails when soil, slope, or groundwater change the required distance. Fix this by ordering basic soil tests and checking seasonal high water marks before designing the layout. People often forget access for routine pumping and repairs, so leave an unobstructed path and clearances around lids and distribution junctions to avoid costly excavation later. Finally, relying on neighbor fences or informal boundary markers can place a system too close to a true property line. Solve that by using recorded legal boundaries or a short survey to set exact setback measurements. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and post-project needs related to septic planning and installation, and we also give contractors a place to find work in the neighborhoods they serve. We host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals trade experiences, ask questions about setbacks and maintenance, and share contractor recommendations.